Direct replacement. This vapor canister vent solenoid fits and performs like original equipment with simple plug-and-play installation. Quality construction. Manufactured from premium materials for a long service life. Excellent value. Original equipment function at a lower price. Quality tested. Has undergone simulation and endurance testing to ensure proper fit and performance. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. A malfunctioning vapor canister vent solenoid can cause the engine light to come on. This vapor canister vent solenoid is engineered of quality materials for durability to ensure proper operation of the vehicle's evaporative emission system. Top reviews from the United States. Quality part. Fixed my P0455 code. Replaced EVAP canister in my 2006 Chevrolet Malibu LS 2.2. Got rid of my P0455 large EVAP leak code. Install was fairly difficult as you must at the very least lower the gas tank enough to wiggle out the part.